同学们好，我是 Haynes 老师。Hi everyone, I'm Mrs. Haynes, and today's tutorial is focusing on 口语练习 speaking skills. And I've given you a couple of questions that I'd like you to develop some responses to. So our first question, 你对抽烟有什么看法？抽烟有什么坏处？ So you towards 抽烟 smoking have 什么看法 have what opinion? 抽烟有什么坏处 We know 坏处 are disadvantages. So what are some of the disadvantages of smoking? So what I've done here is I've made a little table of some ways or sentence starters that you could use to start compiling your responses. So the simplest way you could start is 我想 I think. So you could start developing an idea from there. 我的看法是 my opinion is 我对抽烟 something something something. So using 对 to say toward this thing. 抽烟是一个非常不好的坏习惯之一. So using 之一 to say one of, 抽烟 is one of the worst bad habits you can have. 抽烟对你的身体健康不好. So that's an example of using 对 in a sentence. So smoking for your body's health is very bad. 我觉得很难 when I feel that it's a very unpleasant thing. Okay. Now underneath I've given you some examples of some 坏处, some disadvantages. So 吸烟有很多坏处. So smoking, 抽烟吸烟一样的. So using those interchangeably is fine. 比如, for example. So you've actually stated there are lots of disadvantages. For example, you might like to list some off. So here are some ideas. So 会降低健康水平. So it will reduce your health level, which sounds really weird in English, but what it's saying is your health will become poorer. 严重皮肤严重加重. So it will affect your skin. Your skin will start to deteriorate, which is very true. 会最终导致人死亡. You are more likely to die. You can increase risk of dying. 你的健康水平会越来越差. 差 means to become poor, not with money, just the level. It becomes poorer. Okay, so what it's saying is 你的身体 or 你的健康水平 your health level will become poorer. So your health will deteriorate would be the sophisticated way of saying it. 女生很讨厌男生抽烟 or 男生很讨厌女生抽烟. So boys, girls don't like the opposite sex smoking. So it's unattractive, right? There's just some ideas. You can go beyond that. All right. 第二个问题你知道谁戒过烟吗？经过怎么样? So what it's saying is, do you know someone that has quit smoking? And what was that like? Now, you may have already watched my tutorial on quitting smoking. This is the story of my dad quitting smoking. So I'll read it to you once. 我要告诉你们一个真实故事。我爸爸从青少年时就戒烟了。我小时候他每天抽很多烟。我恨这个坏习惯。我常常告诉了他抽烟的坏处，但是他不听我。然后我上了10年级的时候，他越来越严重，有咳嗽，有发烧，最后他得住院。他的医生说我爸爸生病非常严重，他可能得了肺癌。我爸爸妈妈哥哥和我都非常难过又紧张。他住了院5天以后，他的医生看了我爸爸，他说我的诊断不对啊，你没有肺癌，但是你还有一个严重的病毒。因为我爸爸以为他死掉，所以他觉得很怕。他说我不要抽烟。这个天以后，我爸爸答应我以后不要吸烟了。他今年已经戒17年了。So you can get a full explanation of that one on my channel if you'd like, but that's a great story of someone quitting. If you don't know someone that's quit, that's okay. You might be a bit young. 第三，你对吸毒有什么看法？吸毒有什么坏处？ Now here, 吸毒 is doing illicit drugs, right? Taking illicit drugs. So you towards taking illicit drugs have what opinion? So what do you think of taking drugs. 吸毒有什么坏处? So what are some of the disadvantages? I've left this a little bit more open for you because you might want to investigate some other things. But some examples I've given you. 我对吸毒与抽烟有一样的看法. So me toward taking drugs, I have exactly the same opinion as I have for smoking. So you could use some of the things from above. 我想吸毒非常有害有危险 so it's very harmful to your body basically. 第四，如果有人怂恿你吸毒，你怎么办? So if someone is pressuring you into taking drugs, what would you do? 怎么办? What would you do? How would you deal with that? So some examples, 虽然那些比你吸烟的朋友或吸毒的朋友都不是你的真正的朋友. So what I'm saying here is if people are pressuring you to smoke or to take illicit drugs, then they aren't really your friends. They're not true friends, okay? They're not your true friends. 朋友给我压力很多，我大的，但是我不要吸毒. So what I'm saying is my friends pressure me quite a lot, or the pressure is very big, but I don't want to take drugs. 喝酒、吸毒、抽烟我都不想。我都不感兴趣. So drinking alcohol, taking drugs, smoking, I'm really not interested in any of these. And another way, 怎么办? What would I do? 我会拒绝. I would refuse to take the drugs. Okay? 第五个问题，如果你知道你的朋友抽烟或者吸毒，你怎么办? So if you knew that your friend was smoking or taking drugs, what would you do? This is just an example. 我的朋友都不吸烟 so all my friends don't smoke. 但是如果我发现有人想吸烟的话，我会告诉他们不要吸，因为吸烟会使皮肤严重老化同时会降低健康水平，而且事实上吸烟会最终导致人是死亡。So what I'm saying here is my friends don't smoke, but if I discovered 发现人 these people were smoking, I would tell them not to smoke because it destroys your skin. It makes you age quicker. At the same time, your health level would decrease. And further to this, you are more at risk of dying if you are smoking. You can replace 吸毒 as well with 吸烟 to discuss either one of those topics. It's up to you.